Hello everyone, welcome to the Gurukul's CAT 100 Study Room to Boardroom series. I am Krishna Chaitanya and this is Crack the Logic with KC. Over the next 100 days, you will be solving one hand-picked LRDI set every single day, a mix of basic to advanced questions which cover all the concepts required for CAT. We are also uploading quant and verbal videos as a part of this series. Make sure you watch all the 3 playlists for a complete preparation. To practice under exam pressure, all the sets we are discussing over here across all the sections are available in our website for completely free of cost. Just sign up to www.thegurukul.org.in and you can find a course called 100 Days Race to CAT. And all the sets over here are completely free for you to practice. Remember, CAT exam isn't about how perfect you are, it is about how consistent you are in your preparation. So let's not waste time and quickly jump into the video. So today we'll be solving one more logical reasoning and data interpretation problem. So before we move on to the video, pause the video, try to solve the problem, and then we'll see what is happening in the question. Okay. 10 boys whose code names were the first 10 letters of the English alphabets respectively sat at a circular table to play a game called Guess My Number. Each boy had a secret number in his mind and whispered it to both his neighbors. Then each boy announced a number that was the average of the 2 numbers whispered in his ears by his neighbors. The line graph given below shows the number announced by each boy, and the table given below lists the 2 neighbors of each boy. Okay. So if A is announcing 1 is the average of the 2 numbers spoken in his ears by his neighbors B and F. If B is saying 2 is the average of the numbers told in B's ears by A and J. Perfect. So just by looking at this information, because sum of 2 numbers average is 1, can I say there are some negative numbers also? From this we will get some information like value of B plus F by 2, value which A gave us is B plus F by 2 equal to 1, which means B plus F is equal to 2. Same way, value told by B, which is equal to A plus J by 2, which is equal to 2, that is A plus J is equal to 4. And the value by C, which is equal to D plus G by 2, that is equal to 7. D plus G is equal to 14. The same way we can write for every person. That is one part of the question. And we can't do anything else, we just need to solve this equation and get the answer. That we will do if it is required in the question. What is the sum of the secret numbers of all the 10 boys? If I want sum of the secret numbers, I need to make the list of everything. So let us make the list. D is equal to C plus H by 2. D, E, F, G, H, I and J. Okay. D gave us the answer as 8. Let's write this one. E equal to G plus I by 2. F is equal to A plus H by 2. G equal to C plus E by 2. H is equal to D plus F by 2. I is equal to E plus J by 2. J is equal to B plus I by 2. The number given by E is equal to 5, F is equal to 10, G is equal to 6, H is equal to 9, and I is equal to 4, J is equal to 3. From this we can say C plus H is equal to 16, G plus I is equal to 10, A plus H is equal to 20, C plus E is equal to 12, D plus F is equal to 18, E plus J is equal to 8, B plus I is equal to 6. Tell me how many times each alphabet is repeated. Let us count for B. 1, B came once here and twice here. Okay. A came here once and twice. D came here once and twice, which means can I say every number is repeated 2 times? Okay. If every number is repeated 2 times, then twice of A plus B plus C, D, E, F, G, H, I and J should be equal to sum of everything 2 plus 4 plus 14, 16, 10, 20, 12, 18, 8 and 6. Add up everything. Perfect. The total sum is equal to 110, which means sum of all the numbers spoken by these people will be equal to 55. I don't know which numbers are spoken by which persons because they did not ask that value for now. Obviously they will ask you anyway because that's the question over here. How many boys had negative secret numbers? So first of all we need to take all the values, make the equations and solve them, or else we can't start the problem also. D plus G and G plus I, if I subtract both of them, D plus G minus of G plus I is equal to how much? D plus G value we know is 14, G plus I is 10. This is 14 minus 10, which is equal to 4. 4 is, if I open the brackets, D plus G minus I, this gets cancelled. That is D minus I is equal to 4. But I already know somewhere, is there D plus I value? There is no D plus I value. But can I say B plus I minus B plus F? B plus I minus of B plus F. This will be equal to how much? If I open the bracket, B plus I minus B minus F is equal to, B plus I is 6 and B plus F is 2. So this is 6 and this is 2. So 6 minus 2, this is equal to 4. What is this 4 value? B gets cancelled. I minus F is equal to 4. Okay. Now can I say these two are equal? So D minus I is equal to I minus F. So D plus F is equal to 2I. But I already know D plus F is equal to 18. So 18 is equal to 2I and I is equal to 9. Perfect. That is the first value. I is equal to 9. Okay. Next what? If I equal to 9, can I go with nearest I values? B plus I is equal to 6. B is equal to 6 minus I, which is 6 minus 9, which is minus 3. Perfect. So B is equal to minus 3. Next what? If I know B plus F equal to 2. So B plus F is equal to 2. Minus 3 plus F equal to 2. F is equal to 5. Okay. F equal to 5. Next, if I is 9, then I know G plus I equal to 10. G is equal to 1. Okay, G equal to 1. D plus G equal to 14. If G is 1, then D will be equal to 13. D equal to 13. Okay, this is one value where we got the value of I. From there we got the remaining 5 values. Now let us do the same thing and try to find out can we do anything else. Okay, let me erase these values. See what all equations are left out and what all alphabets are left out. We are left out with C and H as alphabets. I know C plus H is equal to 16. Okay, if C plus H equal to 16, I also know A plus H equal to 20. A plus H is equal to 20. So if I subtract them, C minus A is equal to minus 4. C minus A equal to minus 4. Can we say C plus E equal to 12 and C plus H equal to 16? And also E plus G equal to 8. Okay, so if I write C plus H we already used, so we can't use it now. I can write C plus E equal to 12, C plus E equal to 12 and E plus J equal to 8. So if I cancel, this gets cancelled. C minus J is equal to 4. Okay, from this two, can I say C minus A equal to minus 4, C minus J is equal to 4. If I subtract both of them, this gets cancelled. J minus A is equal to minus 8. But I already know J plus A equal to 4. So J plus A equal to 4. So if I add 2J is equal to minus 4, J equal to minus 2. Okay, so I know J equal to minus 2. If J equal to minus 2, can I go here? C minus J equal to 4, C of minus 2 equal to 4, C plus 2 equal to 4, C equal to 2. Okay, C is equal to 2. Perfect. If C equal to 2, can I substitute here? C plus E equal to 12, E will be equal to 10. Okay, E will be equal to 10. If I substitute here, then can I say 10 plus J is equal to 8, J equal to minus 2. Okay, we already got J equal to minus 2. Can I keep C value here? Then I'll get H value. Then 2 plus H equal to 16, H is equal to 14. Okay, H is also equal to 14. We are left out with A value. And A plus H equal to 20. So A plus 14 equal to 20, A is equal to 6. Clear? The question is talking about how many boys had negative secret number. Negative secret number is there for B and J. So 2 people. Answer is option C. Perfect. Next one. The average of the secret numbers of C plus J plus A plus E plus H by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. C equal to how much? C equal to 2. Quickly write down the values. 2 plus. Very good. That is 30 by 5, which is equal to 6. Option C. Okay, next one. What is the secret number of C? C's secret number is 2. That is option A. Very good. So we'll end the set over here. Now pause the video and try to solve the problem one more time. If you look at the problem carefully, the whole question is based on how do you solve the equations. And all the equations are two equations, 2 variables only we are doing. But the whole problem is based on clubbing the correct equations at correct point of time. Okay, so solve the problem one more time and comment down how many answers you got correct and also how much time you took to solve these questions. See you in the next video, guys. Take care. Hope you enjoyed learning from today's session.
This series is designed to help you with your CAT preparation and practice daily. We are with you in this journey.
To watch the next video, click here. And to watch Gurukul's CAT 100 series, study room to boardroom, the entire playlist, click here.
If you learned from today's session, like, share and subscribe.